Executive Towers is an older building built in 1963. Our heating and cooling utilizes a two-pipe water-based system. So it's the cooling tower, we've got two chillers, they're all gas-fired. The more gas you use, clearly you're not being efficient. It takes a lot of energy to heat and cool the building. My name is Camille Pamina. I am the property manager here at Executive Towers. It's a 453-unit residential building located in the Bronx. One of the deciding factors for this board and management with moving towards parity and monitoring our systems is the fact that our energy consumption was very high. Parity is a remote HVAC optimization service. Parity is addressing lowering our energy consumption. With Parity's optimizer service, they've got control of our systems to reduce our carbon emissions and operating costs. So Parity's solution seemed like the best way to shift from being reactive to proactive.
Currently in our building, Parity partnered with us to help us monitor and control. They keep us up to date on any insufficiency in all the different sections of the building. From the time we start using it, it's a very efficient alerting system. A lot of stuff happens that we cannot prevent. Before Parity, we were not able to get an alert if one of our boiler or one of our chillers shuts down. They can shut it down, start it back up, and until we can come up there and actually see what's going on. They can actually control for us. Before that, we would have to go and diagnose the whole system in a big building like this, which was hard to do. So Parity takes a look at all the different sections of the building, and they can point us to location where it's not efficient and find out what needs to be done and address the problem. So far, the experience with them is pretty amazing.
The need that I believe Parity addresses is one, while our staff here is quite competent, they cannot be on 24 hours a day monitoring the performance of the equipment. Parity can, through this automated optimization system. What was clear to me is that they had a very clear picture of what was going on, right down to the individual units within the building, which was excellent. Another need that is met, of course, is saving money. It guarantees to save you a certain amount of money. In our case, it was $50,000. And if they were unable to do that, then they would give you the difference to the building. So with that guarantee, there was no downside for us.
Actually having it here and implemented and seeing the results, that was big for us. And they were definitely on target. Actually, they exceeded our expectation and quite possibly their own expectation with the results that they got here at Executive Towers.
Having Parity look out for us and alert us, it's a comfort. They stay on top of this stuff to give us a little break where we can get to relax at night and after work and not worry that, no one is looking out for us. We work to keep residents happy, keep myself, my family, workers, everyone make this building a great experience for anyone that's occupying this building. That's our main goal.